Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another product from MSI. This is a mouse. This is the Versa 300 Elite Wireless Gaming Mouse. It has RGB. This is the box of it. You can see the MSI logo right here. This is how the mouse looks like. Have a picture on the side as well, on the side of the box. Pretty nice. As you guys can see, we have the RGB right here. On the back we have some specs. So we have ultra lightweight, 65 grams. The sensor is a Pixart PAW 3395 DM optical sensors that I think allows 26,000 dpi, which is absolutely insane. Up to 200 hours of fast-paced aiming. Basically that's the battery life. Up to, I think that's with the RGB off. Versatile connectivity. You can do Bluetooth, wired, or with the dongle 2.5 gigahertz, which is the recommended usage anyway. It has 6 buttons and it's rated to up to 60 million clicks, which is absolutely amazing. I think the pulling rate it's 1 millisecond, 1000 hertz. So yeah, pretty much that's it with the box. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we'll put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have European Union regulatory notices, basically all the regulations in the EU. We do not have a physical user manual or a quick start guide, but they do have a QR code which you can scan. I think it's somewhere on the box or on their website, so you can scan that and it will tell you everything you need to know about the mouse. But it's pretty much super easy to use. They also have included a braided cable, which is like super soft. This is a USB type A, which will plug into your device, so that being your laptop or your PC. And we have a USB type C right here, which will plug into the front of the mouse right here in the USB type C port. Now if we have a look at the mouse, the scroll wheel has this nice texture to it. We have the clicks, we have the DPI changing button on the top, we have the side buttons, we have the LEDs right here, which I'm going to show you guys in a second on the side. Also there should be an MSI logo here, I think, which will light up. We have the skates, one skate at the top, skate at the bottom, and skate around the sensor. We have switch. Basically you will switch between Bluetooth at the top, off, and wireless. So depending on your usage, depending on what you use it on, you can switch your desired mode. This is the QR code for the quick start guide, so scan that, it will tell you everything you need to know how to set it up. But basically it's like super simple. All you have to do is just pop this cover right here, take out the USB type A dongle, you plug it into your device basically, and obviously you put this back. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. It's kind of tricky because there you go. So you plug this into your device, you switch the mouse to wireless mode, so at the bottom, and pretty much it's ready to go. So yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. Let's go ahead and have it next to our setup, and I will show you guys how everything looks like and how the RGB looks like. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so the mouse is fully set up. Basically it was plug and play, super easy to use. All you have to do is plug in that 2.4 gigahertz wireless dongle into your device. So I plugged mine right here, and basically turn this switch, not turn, I just flick it to wireless at the bottom, and pretty much it's ready to go. This is how the RGB looks like. Absolutely beautiful. On the sides we have the MSI logo right here that lights up. You can also customize the RGB. I think with MSI Center is their own custom app. You can customize the DPI, the RGB, you can set profiles, you can do a bunch of stuff. But this is how the mouse looks like. It's super responsive as well, so As you can see, I'm moving the mouse right now. This is the stock DPI, by the way, so super responsive. It sounds actually good as well, so if I go close and I click, it has a nice feeling to it. In terms of the weight, it's a super lightweight mouse, as I said, and they claim 65 grams. Feels super lightweight, feels good in hands. It's got this nice curve to it, so your hand, it's actually super comfortable on it. And yeah, pretty much that's it. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.